Welcome back to Dream Cars. Today we're checking out the all-new 2026 Cadillac XT5, a mid-size luxury SUV that's making waves, though not in North America, at least not yet. This XT5 delivers a bold redesign while staying true to Cadillac DNA. Up front, there's a sharper grille with intricate mesh and vertical LED headlights that give it a bold stance. The side profile features clean sculpted lines and available 20 or 21-inch wheels to complete the look. Slide inside, and Cadillac has gone all in on luxury and tech. Think semi-aniline leather, wood and aluminum trim, and a stunning curved display that spans over 30 inches, combining infotainment and driver gauges into a seamless interface. Ambient lighting with up to 126 colors, panoramic sunroof, wireless charging, USB-C ports, crystal control knob, and a premium sound system seal the upscale feel. Under the hood, the Chinese market XT5 keeps a turbo 2.0L 4-cylinder mild hybrid setup, 227 horsepower, paired with a 9-speed automatic and AWD, a formula carried over from earlier XT5s. But global spec info suggests Cadillac might offer richer options, including a 2.0L turbo making up to 265 horsepower and torque in the high 200s, a 3.6L V6 with around 310 horsepower, and even a plug-in hybrid variant with roughly 335 horsepower and about 40 miles of EV range. When it comes to driving dynamics, expect Cadillac's adaptive suspension, selectable driving modes Tour, Sport, AWD, and optional performance brakes. Early reports say the V6 hits 0 to 60 mph near 6.4s and returns mid-20s mpg combined, with hybrid models promising much better efficiency. Cadillac hasn't officially confirmed plans for North America. Industry insiders suggest limited manufacturing capacity and the company's push toward electric vehicles, including the Optiq EV, might keep this XT5 overseas. But if Cadillac changes course, this could be the next big gas-powered player in their lineup. Pricing details are speculative but point to a starting MSRP in the mid-$40,000 range for base trims, mid-$50,000 for upgraded luxury versions, and up to low $60,000 for top-tier sport or platinum models, especially those packing luxury and driver assistance packages. Available tech includes Cadillac's suite of advanced driver assist systems, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot detection, surround view cameras, and even Super Cruise hands-free driving on compatible highways on premium trims. A quick note: older XT5s have earned praise for passenger space and comfort but criticism for aging design and weaker infotainment systems. Plus, there are isolated reports of issues like screen resets or cooling system faults on earlier models, so any buyer should check build quality and warranty. Here's what makes the 2026 XT5 stand out. Head-turning design, bold grille, sculpted body, vertical LEDs, and large wheels that modernize Cadillac's SUV look. Tech-rich interior, massive curved display, high-end finishes, ambient lighting, and top-tier audio make it feel like a luxury cabin. Powertrain options for every driver: mild hybrid 2.0L, potent V6, and eco-smart hybrid powertrains to match performance or efficiency needs. Driver convenience and safety: ADAS suite with Super Cruise and surround view cameras deliver peace of mind on the road. So, while North American fans might have to wait, or miss out, this XT5 represents a dramatic leap for Cadillac in comfort, styling, and tech. If it lands here, it could be a strong competitor to the likes of BMW X3, Mercedes GLC, and Genesis GV80, especially with its value-packed trims and luxury appeal. Thanks for watching. Hit like if you love Cadillac's move forward, comment below on what you'd want most in your next SUV, and don't forget to subscribe to Dream Cars for more in-depth looks at the latest luxury rides. See you next time.